Empty your bowels in 2 minutes with this 2-ingredient mixture. Here is a simple recipe to empty your bowels in 2 minutes using only 2 ingredients. Consuming this remedy along with low-fat, low-calorie diet, you will be able to successfully lose weight while emptying your bowel. Incomplete emptying of bowel can lead to stomach pain, discomfort, and feeling bloated. However, you need to bear in mind that an enormous impact on your bowel movements and digestion and everything else in your body is heavily connected to your eating habits. In case you have incomplete emptying of bowel, it is very likely that your regular diet does not provide you with the essential nutrients you need. The bowels usually accumulate and eliminate waste material and toxic substances from the body. That is how the bowels normally function. However, if the digestion is distorted, the waste will stay in the bowels and lead to many health issues. As a matter of fact, improper functioning of the muscles of the digestive tract might be one cause of incomplete emptying of the bowel. This might lead to an issue in the ability to pass a stool which is well formed. But you do not have to worry in case you have this problem, since you can treat it the natural way. In fact, it is recommended to do a complete bowel cleanse twice per year. You need to do this in order to prevent the buildup of waste and toxins in your body and stop different health problems. Ingredients: dates 150 grams, plums 150 grams, boiling water 5 cups. Preparation: first, you need to put the water into a pot and boil it. After, you can add the other ingredients and let it simmer for around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you need to put it aside in order to cool down. How to drink this mixture: you should take 1 tablespoon of this mixture every morning. This will help you improve your digestion, remove toxic wastes, boost your overall health, and treat constipation. Isn't it amazing that you can achieve all that with just 1 tablespoon? Have you tried this before? If you find this video useful, share it with your friends and family. Conclusion: there you have it, the best way to empty your bowel in 2 minutes using 2 simple ingredients. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please share it and also subscribe this channel for more helpful tips.